The Supreme Court has struck out a suit filed against the National Assembly by President Muhammadu Buhari, challenging the legality of Section 84, subsection 12 of the Electoral Act 2022. Hi, welcome to What's Happening. These are the top 10 stories now. At number 1, the Supreme Court has struck out a suit filed against the National Assembly by President Muhammadu Buhari, challenging the legality of Section 84, subsection 12 of the Electoral Act 2022. In a judgment prepared and delivered by Justice Emmanuel Agim on Friday, the Apex Court held that Buhari, having assented to the electoral bill on February 25, 2022, has no power to turn around to challenge the legality of the Electoral Act. The court therefore declared the action of Buhari in instituting the case as a gross abuse of court. It said by the suit, President Buhari sought to approbate and reprobate at the same time, and that such must not be allowed. The court also held that Buhari has no power under any law to dictate to the National Assembly on lawmaking. The unanimous verdict held that Buhari, having participated in the making of the Electoral Act by his assent, lacked constitutional powers to come up to challenge same. At number 2, the Rivers State governorship candidate of the African Democratic Congress, Tonto Ibraye, has allegedly nominated popular actress Tonto Dike as his running mate. Tonto Dike announced her nomination in a post on Instagram on Friday, while sharing their government's plans if elected into office during the 2023 elections. She wrote, "I thank Mr. Tonto Ibraye, the governorship candidate of the African Democratic Congress, Rivers State, for nominating me as his running mate." Dike listed their manifesto to include investing massively in social protection, creating a social value system for young people, increased women inclusion in our governance system, supporting small businesses and strengthening our traditional institutions to be active players in the drive to bring sustainable development to the good people of Rivers State. She, however, urged people of the state, particularly the youth, to register and get their permanent voter card to ensure they vote during the election. At number 3, unknown gunmen have bombed the police area command office at Eika Oizenyi in Okei local government area of Kogi State, killing one inspector on duty. The gunmen carried out the attack in the early hours of Friday. The slain officer was identified simply as Mr. Jibril, popularly known as Yellow. The latest attack is the second in less than 1 month. Recall that the Adavi police station was attacked in early June, where 3 police officers were killed. In the recent attack, the gunmen, numbering 7, allegedly stormed the station on the outskirts of the community at about 12 midnight on Friday and opened fire at those found inside before setting the station ablaze. Meanwhile, the corpse of the slain policeman has been taken to Obangede General Hospital's mortuary. At number 4, Nigeria's former Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Tukur Buratai, has denied having a home in Wuse, Abuja, contrary to reports that his home was raided by the operatives of the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission. On Thursday, an online media published a story titled "Exclusive: Anti-Graft Agency (ICPC) uncovers billions in cash meant for arms ammunition to fight Boko Haram in Abuja, home of ex-Chief of Army Staff Buratai," stating that 1.85 billion naira was recovered from the retired Army General's house when ICPC raided his home. In a statement released on Friday by Buratai's legal advisor, Oswagu Ugochukwu, the report was described as smear and fabricated tale, published to tarnish his image. The statement read, "My attention has been drawn to a recent publication on webpage of Sahara Reporters titled Exclusive: Anti-Graft Agency ICPC uncovers billions in cash meant for arms ammunition to fight Boko Haram in Abuja, home of ex-Chief of Army Staff Buratai," which was published on the 23rd of June 2022. "I have gone through the said publication and have interfaced with Ambassador T.Y. Buratai and can authoritatively say the content of the publication is false, concocted and malicious." At number 5, terrorists have kidnapped 22 persons in a community in Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory. The armed terrorists attacked Rafin Dadi community situated between the FCT and Niger State on Thursday night, whisking away mostly farmers. Police authorities in the FCT confirmed the attack on Friday. The Deputy Public Relations Officer of the FCT Police Command, ASP Oduniyi Omotayo, said the command has deployed a team of anti-kidnapping and counter-terrorist units to comb the surrounding forest and rescue the abducted farmers. The bandits also reportedly burnt 2 tractors being used by the farmers. At number 6, the Okolawa Bridge, which links Kwara State to Oyo State, has collapsed. Reacting to this, the Federal Road Safety Corps in Kwara has asked residents to keep calm, saying it would make presentations to the relevant authorities for prompt action. The Kwara Sector Commander, Frederick Ogidon, gave the assurance in a statement on Friday. He also pleaded with residents and members of the National Union of Road Transport Workers to be patient over the matter. At number 7, the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency says its operatives have seized 12,611.656 kg of illicit drugs and arrested 1,887 suspects from July 2021 to June 2022 in Kano State. NDLEA State Commander Abubakar Idris Ahmed disclosed this while addressing reporters during the UN International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Drug Trafficking marked in Kano on Friday. The theme for the year is addressing drug challenges in the health and humanitarian crisis. Idris Ahmed said the purpose of the United Nations Day is to raise awareness of citizens about drug abuse and trafficking menace in the society. He noted that during the period, out of 12,611.656 kg of illicit drugs seized, 9,735.004 kg were cannabis sativa, while 2,875.223 kg were psychotropic substances. He also said of the 1,887 suspects arrested, 1,465 were males and 442 were females between the ages of 18 and 35 years. At number 8, gunmen have killed 5 people, including 2 policemen and a university lecturer in 2 separate attacks in Benue State. The incidents happened at Yelwata and Jota Mbaterem in the Guma and Ukum local government areas of the state respectively on Thursday. At the Yelwata area of Guma local government area, 2 policemen were reportedly killed by gunmen and their guns taken away by their assailants. The second incident, which happened at Jota Mbaterem in Bayenge Council Ward in Ukum local government area, left 3 people, including a university lecturer, dead. It was gathered that the incident happened around 7 p.m. on Thursday at a drinking joint in the community. The immediate past chairman of Ukum local government area, Steve Ayua, confirmed the killing of the university lecturer and 2 others in the council. At number 9, the Pharmacists Council of Nigeria has sealed about 358 pharmacies and patent medicine shops within the Federal Capital Territory. The registrar of the PCN, Ibrahim Ahmed, disclosed this during a press conference held on Friday in Abuja. Ahmed said 90 pharmacies and 268 patent medicine shops were sealed out of a total of 584 premises visited during the enforcement exercise from Monday to Thursday. According to the registrar, some of the premises were dispensing ethical products without the supervision of a pharmacist, and some were in poor sanitary conditions. He added that 5 pharmacies and patent medicine shops were issued compliance directives. Lastly, at number 10, the Inspector General of Police, Usman Alkali Baba, has approved the posting of CP Olatoye Durosimi as the new Commissioner of Police for Akwa Ibom State. The State Police Public Relations Officer, Odiko Magdon, announced this in a statement on Thursday, noting that the new commissioner has resumed duty as the 31st Commissioner of Police in the state. Durosimi takes over from Andrew Amiengeme, who has since been promoted to Assistant Inspector General of Police and posted out of the state. That's all for today, but before I go, I would like to remind you that the 2023 general elections is drawing closer. Do not fail to get your permanent voter's card. See you next time on What's Happening.